Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Coffee and My Happy Place. Today we have the unboxing of the InstaCuppa coffee grinder. So I ordered this from Amazon and I've got rid of the original packaging of Amazon and this is what we have. So let's unbox it and see how it looks. Here's the manual, that's how the coffee grinder looks like. Why I ordered this is because in this range I think you get a coffee porta filter holder as well while you're grinding your coffee, and it's really well packed, I can say. Okay. That's the lid. This is the porta filter holder. This is what I like about this. It's got many grind settings. So let's see how it looks. Wow, it looks really nice. It's really beautiful. Okay, I need to figure out how to get this out. And that's the lid. It's got a beautiful coffee holder, I think it's container. And this is a touch screen actually. That's the branding of InstaCuppa. It feels nice to touch. Okay. It looks really good. It looks really nice. If you keep it besides your coffee machine, it sure will look really, really pretty. That's about it. That's all for the unboxing today. I need to figure out how to get this out. I'll make another video and show you all how the grinding works. So this is your grind settings that you can turn from coarse to fine. So we'll make another video for this and show you all how it works. And I'll place this beside my coffee machine. I'm just waiting to have this set up over there. So until then, see you again. Thanks for watching.